Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and on today's recipe I'm going to be showing you how I made this very delicious but simple vermicelli noodle stir fry. These are some of the ingredients that I used. You'll need onions and garlic, king prawns, cooked chicken breast, and rice noodles, of course. I'm also going to be using bell peppers, scotch bonnet, and carrots. For taste, I'll be using curry powder and soy sauce. So like the video title says, this is an easy recipe. There are so many other things you can add to make this recipe even more delicious, but these are the things I had in my kitchen at the moment. Now I'm cutting all my vegetables into thin slices, and this is probably the best, cut you want to go for when you're doing stir fries. And one golden rule I'll tell you guys about stir fry is that you don't need to cook it for too long. Like, you need to cook it very fast and on high heat, because anything longer than 5 minutes and you'll end up with like broken rice sticks and it will just be a mushy mess. So that's another reason why you should cut your vegetables as thin as possible so they cook through in the short time. So now it's time for the noodle, and I'm going to be soaking it in boiling hot water for about 2 minutes or less. After that, I'll drain the hot water out and heat it with cold water. It's very easy to get this part wrong because it has happened to me before. If you leave the noodles soaking for too long, then it's going to be a hot mess. You would not enjoy this recipe, so just make sure you keep your eye on it. So this is the final step, and I'm just going to be throwing everything into the pan and stir, 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 and stir till everything is well incorporated. Like, I'm talking about my veggies, the prawns, the chicken, and I'll basically season it with my soy sauce, black pepper, curry, salt, and all that good stuff. Like, I really love this recipe. It's so easy, like literally 3 steps, guys. Prep your veggies, soak your noodles, and fry everything up. So easy and so delicious. You guys should definitely try it out. This is my second time making this. The first time wasn't so good, but this one, the next time I make it, I'm gonna try and make it the proper way, like use ginger, do it the proper Asian way and not miss any steps. But this one still came out really, really good. Very simple, but delicious. So guys, another thing is to add your soy sauce before you go in with salt, because soy sauce can be a bit salty and it's just safe if you add it before the salt. So that way, if the food is already salty, then you don't even need to bother with salt. But it's better to go in with the soy sauce so you can get the flavor and you can always just skip the salt. So after adding the noodles to the pan, I went over it with just a bit of water to help everything incorporate better and just make the mixing process easier overall. This part was a bit tricky and messy because I was using this flat frying pan, but if you're using a wok or something deeper, it shouldn't get this messy. And it just made me remember my wok back home, because I actually have one back at home, and I was just wondering, why didn't I bring my wok? Because I actually love to cook in that wok. It just cooks everything faster and it makes mixing easier. So I'm just like, you know what? I need to get a wok. I need a new wok in my life. Anyways, we're done. This is what it's looking like. Beautiful, amazing, colorful, tasted good. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try this recipe. Let me know if you're going to try it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I'll see you in my next one.